What is going on, boat people? It is your boat guy, Zach. Today, I will be showing you one of the best all-around tri-toons on the market today. This 23-foot Barletta Corsa Ultra Lounge setup is one of the first boats you see when you walk into the showroom. Equipped with one of the best color combos in the business, black diamond, the gray moonstone accent, and the all-new, my favorite, Argento gray interior. Oh my goodness, check out that extended deck. 250 Mercury with the Ultra Lounge setup, it really makes this boat the ultimate party boat. With the dual stage lifting strakes on the Tri-Toon, helps with low speed maneuverability, high speed, and a faster planing time. I've said this before, Barletta has the best lounger in the business. So many configurations, it's nuts. They have 2 rear-facing speakers, as well as a stereo remote at the back. There are also dual battery switch right at the base of the lounger, very accessible to use. Here are just a couple clips of the different configurations customers use, all able to use while underway. Very modern, sexy looking helm. The captain is obviously the most important passenger on this boat, so Barletta made a cockpit like no other. Wireless charger, Hertz Bluetooth stereo system. You even get to pick up to 13 friends and family to fit comfortably on this boat. One of the new features on the 2022 is the oh shoot handles, if you know what I mean, just for those rougher days on the water. When you think luxury tri-toon, you think Barletta. They put themselves in the customer's shoes. They think of everything, even the boat dogs. And it wouldn't be a Barletta without the doggy pull-out dish. Above that is where all your breakers are located, as well as a place to put assortment of things. So come out and see me. I've got this boat and 30 others like it on display. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.